Sammy, don't go down that way. Put your legs inside the slide. Annie, can you go down the slide? Show me.
Mama, this one's mine. Mama, I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay.
That's not your juice cup. We've got one over here in the car like that. Here, you climb up this. Can you climb up that?
You having trouble, girl?